Okay, hi guys. Part of our city surveillance today is we're going over image capture. This is where we can basically bring in all our analytics and install those on the cameras on the edge. Part of our open platform is our integration with Genetec, where all of these analytics will be natively alarming within the alarm manager of Genetec. Some of the examples are our AI VMD with like line crossing detection, direction detection, intrusion detection, people counting, vehicle counting, but also stuff like scene change detection. So for example, if a bag is left behind or an object is removed, we can alarm on that. Like I said, all these alarms will come into the Genetec Alarm Manager. Part of our native integration with Genetec is also our ActiveGuard plugin, which is our forensic search and alert software, our plugin that we use within Genetec. We can search, you will have your date and time picker. We have our list of cameras and all the AI applications that you can that you have installed on those cameras. We have all our 98 attributes that we have within Genetec and ActiveGuard to search for people, vehicle, and faces. We can even show the accuracy level for each of the objects that we detected. For example, we have a gray sedan here, and it's driving from the upper right corner from left to right. We can set this gray sedan, for example, in a watch list. So from now on, every time a gray sedan drives by that matches the same description, you will receive an alarm in the alarm monitor. The same thing for an appearance of a person or for a face. If the face is in a watch list, we can receive a registered face alarm within the alarm monitor for Genetec. What we can also do is we can tie all of these alarms together in an event to action, and we can, for example, pop up screens or send alarms to a different machine or a different security personnel that's on site. Besides all of these analytics and all of the data that we're collecting, we put it together all in a dashboard. For example, in this case, we're doing vehicle detection or vehicle counting. You can see per hour how many vehicles drove by this site. You see the total amount of traffic for that site. We can even put in a pie chart for you which types of vehicles drove by. For example, how many pickup trucks or buses versus sedan, SUV. Per camera location, we can also tell you how much each of those vehicle types drove by. Per week, we can give you that information, and other stuff like blue pickup truck or blue sedan or blue bus, how many of those drove by. All of this information is at your fingertips within the ActiveGuard dashboard, and you have the ability to export this information as a CSV or a PDF document. The same thing for people detection and people attributes. So for example, people counting, we can tell you the heat map and which direction people have been walking. We can tell you how many people entered versus how many people exit the office. We can tell you per camera location how many people walked in, and we give you the graphical information and the total number of visitors. All of this also be able to export through PDF or CSV. So as you see, we can bring security and business intelligence together under one pane of glass within Genetec for our city surveillance. Part of all of this, as you already heard, ties it together with public safety, where we bring our body-worn cameras and in-car video together under the Genetec platform with our integrations.